Hey, I'm James Heimbach, the product manager for the testing group in the Verify stage, and Scott Hampton is with me as well. Scott, why don't you introduce yourself real quick?
Yep, Scott Hampton, the acting engineering manager for the Verify testing stage.
And we just wanted to record a quick walkthrough. We had recently merged an MR to our team page, talking about error budget issues and updating a little bit our prioritizing technical debt. And this is in how we plan on the page. Which I'm not sharing my screen. Why don't I do that so everyone can see what I'm looking at? On our team page, we have some great documentation about how we work, both planning and workflow. Within the planning section, we'd previously had prioritizing technical debt. And the engineering manager and I, and Scott and I have talked about, we always want to have about 20% of our issues be technical debt, which we label as a feature maintenance item. We don't consider bugs technical debt, but it's always work that the team wants to do to better make the code just work better, make our systems work better. And then recently, we've taken on this error budgeting methodology of keeping track of things. Scott, you want to talk through that a little bit and how we're using the error budgets and our SLOs?
Absolutely. So the error budget dashboard is a way to view our general availability for all of our endpoints. And whether they're airing out or whether they're too slow, we have a certain amount of availability allotted to our team. So our goal is I will review that budget dashboard on a weekly basis. If we are spending too much, if we're going over our budget, I'll be looking through to see which endpoints are causing that, and researching and creating an issue for fixing that and improving that endpoint in any way. And then we'll prioritize that accordingly, how much error budget is being taken up from that endpoint, and prioritize it accordingly to our technical debt.
Yep. And we have on the ops section, PI review page, a section about our error budget and our technical debt. Last I looked, we were at 99.98% availability. So we're above our target of 99.9539s. So far, things are working great. And as we run into issues, we'll pull those in and prioritize those. Those might end up bumping other stuff out of a milestone. We'll probably follow our usual cadence of create the issue, pull it into the next milestone, and let the team continue to focus on what they're currently working on, as long as it's not a severity 1 issue. So that's how we're going to be handling error budget and prioritizing our technical debt in the testing group. Thanks, Scott.